Hello guys, and welcome back to my another vlog. Today I'm gonna unbox my DJI Osmo action camera. Let's see how the product looks like. Sure. Still then, I can use my GoPro Hero 5, but there is some problem on inserting my SD card. It used to display memory card error, no? So I need to purchase new one. Let's see. Hey baby, come to Nakalong.
This is your ex GoPro.
Hey. Yes.
So excited.
Yeah. DJI. This is DJI Osmo action camera. Yeah. Woo.
Here we go.
Yeah. Yes. Wow. Perfect. Very perfect. Yeah. Accessories.
Sige nga, Gina.
他可能看着他把东西绕当天不能用。我知道，和你别的知道吗？这。ऑन करो, किधर से ऑन करेगा? अच्छा हो गया
कैमरा
Let's see.
hit that bro.
Yes, very clear. This is out of my expectation. Out of my expectation, guys. Yeah, my brother. Oh, it's not working this side. What? Where? What? There. Hey. What? Không biết thì cái bấm trong mạng là chứ.
Không cả màn hình của.
Working. It's working. Niga. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to start vlogging with this. Previously I used to vlog with my phone, but this time I'm going to start vlogging with my new action camera. So we'll see. On the next vlog I will be uploading from this camera. So let's see how it is. How is the quality? We'll compare with the GoPro Hero 5 too. Yeah. Very tiny and very pretty. Okay guys, this is my unboxing. So I'm going to upload the next video with this camera video. So guys, thank you for watching and for supporting me, and see you guys on the next vlog.